In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Adobe Creative Cloud student discount. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser and then just look up Adobe Cloud and then student. Then you want to go to the official Adobe website just like so. Make sure that it does say students over here. Alright guys, you will now be brought to a page that looks like this, and then you want to go ahead and press on buy now. Now again, this is Adobe Creative Cloud for students and teachers, and once you're done with that, you will then be brought to a page that looks like this. So you guys can go ahead and select on whichever one of these plans you prefer. It really is up to you, and then you want to go ahead and just press on continue. Then you will be asked to go ahead and get the AI assistant for Acrobat, but that's completely up to you. I'm just going to go ahead and press on continue. Now here's where things get really important. You guys need to sign in to your student email. So if you go to like a college or like even a high school or something like that, they're typically going to give you an email. And basically, if you log in using that email, then Adobe will automatically confirm that you're actually a student, and then it will give you the discount. So what you need to do if you haven't already signed into your student email is you need to go ahead and press on change right over here, because this is a Gmail account. This is one of my personal Gmail addresses. And now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and enter in a student email really quickly. So let me go ahead and do that really fast. All right, then you want to go ahead and press on continue. Once you're done with that, and there you go. The email has now been changed. Now, if you don't have a school email for whatever reason, Adobe may request proof after purchase, such as a school ID card with your name and school's name, or a report card or transcript, tuition bill, or enrollment letter. If you're a homeschooler, then you will need a dated letter of intent or homeschool association membership. But basically, you want to go ahead and select on your payment method right over here, and then you want to press on agree and subscribe. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.